In last two exercise we had done okay, how to add, subtract matrix, types of matrix, and what is matrices and matrix. Okay, so now here we will learn multiplication of two matrix. So multiplication may we have some condition. So what was the condition for addition and subtraction? For addition, and subtraction, order should be same for both matrix. Orders of matrix should be same. But here for multiplication we have some different rules. Some different rules means, let's say matrix A has the order of m multiplied by n, where m is the row and n is the column. Let's say A matrix is 2 by 3. Let's say 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 2 by 3. Third row will be 0, 2. This is 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so its order is 2 row and 3 column. So if I am multiplying with B, so B's order should be such that the number of column of A should be equal to number of row of B. Number of column of first matrix, that is A का column is what? 3. So here row should be compulsory 3 if you have to multiply. So I have to make a matrix such that it can be 3 times 1 or 3 times 2 or 3 times 3. But these two should be equal. So first matrix का number of row should be, sorry, first matrix का number of column should be equal to second matrix का number of row, that is B matrix. So if I am saying 3 times 1, so 3 times 1, so I have to write 3 rows and 2 column and 1 column. 3 row mein I can write -2, 0 and 1. Okay, in this way I can write. So now here multiplication exists. So multiplication only possible when first matrix का number of row, let's say first matrix का order is m upon m into n, multiplied by B का order should be m times p. P can be anything. So but sorry, n times p. N times P. So these two should be same always. Let me write it with red pen. N. Okay. So order of product. Product is AB now. So AB ka order will be M times P. M times P. Whatever is M times P. Answer you will get in this format. So if I have matrix A, that is 2 by 3, multiplied by matrix B, that is 3 by 1. So answer will be AB. 3 3 is common, so answer will be in the form of 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Answer will be in this format. So let us, I will explain you this later. First I will explain you how to multiply. Okay. So pause the video and just write it down, all this stuff. Then I will explain you how to multiply. To multiply two matrix, I will take one example like A, B, C, D. We will take simple matrix, that is 2 by 2, X, Y, P, Q. Okay, so matrix multiplication of matrix is always done like run and fall in this pattern. So you know matrix का standard form is Aij, that is A11, A12, A21, A22. So now what is this A11? A11 is what? First row, first column. So first row is this and first column is this. You have to multiply this part for first term. So let me write first term A11 as A into X. So we are multiplying A with X, AX plus B with Y plus BY. This will become first term, first column. First 1, 1. First row, first column. Okay. Now again 2, 1. A21. I will show you how to do this. First row, second row, first column. This is first column. So how I can multiply it? Cx, C into X, this C term you have to multiply with X plus D term you have to multiply with Y. So it is C into X plus D into Y. Cx plus dy. It's 2, 1. Now we had multiplied both rows with first column. Now it's a turn to multiply first row and second column, because here we have a 1 2 1 2 means it's first row and second column. The first row is this whole thing that is multiplied by second column. So I can write as a into p. This first term will be multiplied with first term and second term will be multiplied with second term. AP plus BQ. And again this with this second column. So CP plus DQ. Hope this is clear. Okay, I had written over here. See A B with P R, AP plus BR, then again CD into PR. So CP plus DR. Same way with another row. So here once I will start sums now, then you will understand okay, multiplication. It's little bit confusing. So let us do. See here we have A, B. Find A and B. Find AB and BA and say कि his AB is equal to BA. You have to tell कि AB is equal to BA. So first we have to write AB. So A is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. As you do 3, 4 sums now, then multiplication will become quite easy. So you have to first remember कि first matrix is always row, and second is column. So first is horizontal, first always horizontal and second vertical. So this is 2 multiplied by 5. First term is 2 and here first term is 5. So 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. Hope this part is clear. Then again second row, this is green part with this first column. Second row, then 1 into 1 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 1. This we had multiplied first and second row with first column. Now we will do first row and second column. So it's 2 into 2 plus, in between we have always plus. If we are multiplying 2 into 2, then plus 3 into 3. Then same thing, second row, second column. So 1 into 2 plus 4 into 3. So now we have to add. So 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 2 2s are 4 plus 9, 2 1s are 2 plus 12. So that is 13, 9, 4 plus 9 is again 13, and 12 plus 2 is 14. In this way you can multiply. Okay, so it's given over here. Now I will multiply BA. So first we have to write B matrix 5 1 2 3 multiply by 2 1 3 4. So as we know, first we have to multiply row. This is first row, first column. So let us multiply directly. 5 into 2 is 10. Then we have 2. 2 into 1 is 2. See, it's like this. 5 into 2 plus 2 into 1. This is for A11. A11 means first row, first column. Then second row, first column. Second row is 1 into 2. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 1. See, it's here 3 into 1 here. 3 ones are 3. Now, first row, second column. Now we will multiply both rows. First row is this 5 and second column is this. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2 into 4 8. Then second row, second column. Second row, second row, second column, A 2 2. So here I will write 1 into 3 is 3 plus 3 into 4 is 12. As you can see, we have to just add up. 10 plus 2 12, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 23, 3 plus 12 is 15. So what we can see, AB and BA are not equal. So I can write AB is not equal to BA. Okay, multiplication is bit confusing, but if you keep on trying, you may do it easily later on. Okay, it's just row times column. You have to just remember, okay, first row, first column, first row, second column. Okay, and then second row, first column, second row, second column. That's all. Here we have A. First we have to write AB. So I will just directly write A is 5 6 minus 1 2, and B is 2 minus 3 1 4. So here again, first row, first column, first row, second column you can write, or you can write second row, first column. Anyway, you can multiply in any format. Just multiply by yourself and check whether you did correct. If there is some error, you try to go through it again. See, this is first row, first column. If you want, you can circle it with pencil. 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. A11, hope you understood. It's 5 into 2. This is 5 and this is 2. First term with first term, second term with second term. Minus, in between we have plus, minus 1 into minus 3. So that is 5 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 3. I wrote. Then second row, first column. So second row, first column is 6 2s are 12. 6 into 2 and 2 into minus 3. Let me write A21. 21 represents second row, first column. So that is 6 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3. Don't write all this stuff. Okay, it's just for explanation. Minus 6. Now, first row, second column. See, 1 2 means first row. We are taking first row. Let me erase this. This is first row. Now with second column. So what I will get? 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 4. So I will get 5 minus 4. Now second row, second column. Second row, second column is 6 into 1 plus 2 into 4. So 6 plus 2 into 4 is 8. So therefore AB is equal to 10 plus 3 13, 12 minus 6 is 6, 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, just add up, you will get answer. We got AB, now we will find BA. 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2. So now again first row, first column. What is first row, first column? This is 2, 1, 2 into 5, 10 plus 1 into 6. Whatever I am telling, you can just write it down and then check what I did. 2 into 5 is 10 and 1 into 6 is 6. Then now second row, first column. Second row, first column mein I have this term. This is second row and this is first column. So minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 plus 4 into 6 is 24. Now we will go to another column, second column. Second column के लिए first I will erase this circle. First row, second column. So that is 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Then minus 3 plus 4 to the 8. So that will give you 10 plus 6, 16. 24 minus 15 is 24 minus 15 is 9. 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. So from this what you can say, AB is not equal to BA. Hope this part is clear. Let A and B is given. Find the matrix AB plus BA. So here again you have to find AB. So I will write AB minus 1, 3, 2, 4 and B is 3 minus 4 minus 2, 5. So multiplying you have to always remember row, column. Run, fall. I had explained you this. So AB is equal to first row, first column. First row is what? Let me circle this row as. This is first row. This is column, row, second row. This is column and this is also column. So first matrix is always multiplied by row side. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. This minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus, in between we have plus. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. So let's write minus 8 directly. Okay, now second row, that is 3 into 3 again 9. Then 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. First row, first column, second row, first column is completed. Now same process with second column. So minus 1 into minus 2. So that is 2. 2 into 5. So plus 10. Then second row, second column. So minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 4 into 5 is 20. So multiplying, you will get minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11. 9 minus 16 is minus 7. 2 plus 10 is 12. Minus 6 plus 20 is 14. So first part you got AB. Now we will find BA. BA के लिए B we have to write first. 3 minus 4 minus 2 5 multiply by A, that is minus 1 3 2 4. So while multiplying, what we have to do, again same row. Let me circle row, first row, second row, first column, second column. Okay, so now let's start. First row, first column. So first row, first column is 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 2 into plus 3 is minus 6. Okay. Then second row, first column. Minus 4 into minus 1 is 4. Plus 5 3 is 15. Now same process we can do with second column. 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Plus 5 4s are 20. So this will give you minus 9. 4 plus 15 is 19. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. 20 minus 8 is 12. So we got this So now we have to find AB plus BA. So here we will use first exercise ki method. AB plus BA means both matrix has same order. So let's add up minus 11 minus 7, 12, 14 plus BA is minus 9, 19, minus 2 and 12. So adding up you will get minus 11 minus 9 first term, minus 7 plus 19, then 12 minus 2, 14 plus 12. Minus 11 minus 9 is minus 20, 19 minus 7 is 12, 10 and 26. Okay, this is the final answer. A is given, B is given, C is given. You have to show that AB is equal to AC. So first we'll write AB. Let's multiply A into B. 1, 2, 2, 4 and B is 2, 3, 1, 2. So A multiply by B. So first row, first column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 3 is 6. Second row, first column. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 into 3 is 12. See, this is first row which is 1, 2 and first column is 2, 3. If some students are still not able to understand, then we are multiplying this term with this and this with this. Okay. Then second row, that is 2, 4 and with first column, that is 2, 3. So this 2 is multiplied with 2 and 4 is multiplied with 3. Aisa. Same process with second column. First row 1, 2 and second column is 1, 2. So 1 into 1, this 2 is multiplied and 2 into 2 is multiplied and both has plus sign in between. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 2s are 4. Now second row 2, 4 with second column 1, 2. So again 2 into 1 and 4 into 2. Hope you understood now. 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 2s are 8. This is row 1, this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 2. Okay. Row 1 with column 1, row 1 with column 2, row 1 with row 2 with column 1 and row 2 with column 2. It's totally simple. Now here we will just add up. 6 plus 2 is 8, 12 plus 4 is 16, 5, 10. I got this first part. Let me do next part. Now we will write BA. Sorry, B and AC. AB is done. Now AC. So A matrix is first 1, 2, 2, 4 and then we have C. C is minus 2, 5, 7, minus 1. So if you see first row is this and first column, let me fill 1, 2, it's first row and first column is minus 2, 5. So 1 into 1, sorry, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 and 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. This is then first row, first column. Then we can even do first row with second column. If you want, you can solve that way also, here also. But as we are doing, we will go in that way only so that there is no confusion. Now we will do second row, first column. Second row is 2, 4 and first column is minus 2, 5. So we are going to multiply this. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. 4 into 5 is 10. 4 5s are, sorry, 20. Now same process with second column. I'm not making it. It's simple to understand. It's first row, that is 1 into 7. 7 minus 2 ones are 2. Then second row, again second column, 7 2s are 14 minus 4 ones are 4. So that will give you 10 minus 2 is 8, 20 minus 4 is 16, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 14 minus 4 is 10. So from, if you look at this from 1 and 2, we can say, if you are keeping this as 1 and if you are writing this as 2, so from 1 and 2 we can say AB is equal to AC. Hope this part is clear, and as we are going ahead, your multiplication should be proper. Okay. This is quite lengthy question. Here first part we have to find AB, then we have to multiply it with C. Then second part में पहले we have to find BC, then we have to multiply A with BC, then we have to say कि first part and second part are equal or not. So let us start. First we will find, for first main question we will find AB. So if your multiplication is accurate, and then you can solve fast. So try to multiply fast. 2 4 minus 1 1. So first row, first column, let me multiply here only as I don't have enough space. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 into 4 is 0. See, first row, first column. Then second row I am not marking. 2 into 2 4 plus 4 3s are 12. Then again first row, second column, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 3 ones are 3. So AB is equal to 2, 4 plus 12, that is 16, minus 1, 1. I got first answer. Now what I will do, I will multiply this AB with C. So what is AB? First we have to write AB 2, 16, minus 1, 1, and then C. C is what? Minus 2, 5, 3, 6. So again same process. First row, first column. First row is this, first column is this. 2 2s are minus 4. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Same way second row, first column, 16 2s are minus 32. Why this is 16? This is 16. 16 2s are minus 32 plus 5 ones are 5. Then again first row, second column, 2 3s are 6, and minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Then second row, second column, 16 3s are 48 plus 6 ones are 6. So therefore I will get minus 9, minus 27, 0, 54. This is my first part. First part is done. Now second part के लिए I need to find. Let me erase this. Write down this first part. Pause the video. Just write down. Then we are going to do second part. Now main question number second. Second में we have to first find BC. First we have to solve bracket BC. So B is 2 4 minus 1 1 and minus 2 5 3 6. So multiplying first row, first column, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 5. Then second row, first column, 4 into 2 minus 8, 1 into 5 is 5. Then same way first row, second column I can write it with red pen. then 2 into 3 is 6, minus 6 again, then 4 into 3 12, then 1 into 6 is 6. So here I will get minus 9 minus 3 0 6. Okay, it's plus 6, valid, it's plus 6, so it will become 18. Okay, here some errors may happen, but you have to be very careful while solving this. Now we have A and then bracket BC. So A is what now? 1 2 0 3 into BC, the one which I got, minus 9 minus 3 0 18. Same way multiplying, if you see right now, so we are doing 2 by 2 matrix, so it's simple. Okay, first matrix का number of column is equal to second matrix का number of row. If we have square matrix, then multiplication of matrices is always exist. But if we have two matrix of different order, then we have to check. So here though we have same order ka, so it's not an issue. So we will just keep on multiplying. 1 into minus 9 is minus 9, plus 0 into 3 is 0, 2 into minus 9 is 18, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Now same process with 1 into 0 is 0, 18 into 0 is again 0, then 2 into 0 is 0, plus 18 3s are 54, minus 9 minus 27 0 54. So now here what I will do, I will just add up. I want no, we don't want to add up. This second part is done. Now third part I have to check whether both are equal. So first part I had already erased, but let me check from here. First part was minus 9 27 0 54, and second part is over here. So now both parts are equal, so therefore we can say AB multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by BC. Okay, next question, almost of same type. First is A multiplied by B plus C. So first we will find B plus C. B plus C is 1 6 3 4, plus C is 1 minus 3 0 minus 2. So B plus C will be 1 plus 1, 6 minus 3, 3 plus 0, 4 minus 2. Hope you remember how to add. It's very simple. 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is what B plus C. Now we are multiplying A with B plus C. So A is what? 0 2 minus 1 5, with B plus C, that is 2 3 3 2. So here we will multiply same way, first row first column, second row first column, then both rows should be multiplied with second column. So let's start. 0 into 2 is 0, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 5 3s are 15, then first row second column, 0 into 3 is 0 minus 2, 2 into 3 is 6 plus 10. So here what I will get, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, 4 plus 15 is 19, then 0 minus 2 is minus 2, and then 6 plus 10 is 16. Okay, hope you understood this. This is my first part. Second part is done, back side. So just do remember the first question ka answer is this. Let me solve AB and AC over here, and then we will check answer. AB is A multiplied by B. So A is what? 0 2 minus 1 5. B is 1 6 3 4. So let us multiply first row first column. So first row is this, first column is this. So 0 into 1 is 0, minus 6, then 2 ones are 2, plus 6 5s are 30. Done. Now same thing we will do with second column. So 0 into 3 is 0, minus 4 ones are 4, 2 threes are 6, plus 5 fours are 20. So addition of this will become minus 6, 32, minus 4, 26. Now we will do AC. We will multiply AC. For that, okay, I will just draw a line. A is 0, 2, minus 1, 5. C is 1 minus 3, 0 minus 2. So multiplying first row, first column, row, column, row, column. You have to remember row, column. Always first matrix you have to multiply using row and second column. 0 into 1. See, first row is this. First column is this. So it's simple. 0 into 1 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Then again with second row. 2 ones are 2 minus 15. Then first row, second column. 0 minus minus plus 2, then second row, second column, 2 zeros are 0 minus 10. So what I will get, 3 minus 13, 2 minus 10. Okay, now we have to add both of them. So let's check. AB is what? Minus 632 minus 426. AB we got minus 632 minus 426. 3 minus 13, 2 minus 10. 3 minus 13, 2 minus 10. It's minus 10. Here there is some mistake. Okay, so 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Right now doing errors in typing. So now we have to add both of them. AB plus AC. Let's add both of them. Minus 632 minus 426 plus 3 minus 13, 2 minus 10. So what I will get? Minus 6 plus 3, first term with first term, minus 4 plus 2, 32 minus 13, and 26 minus 10. So minus 3, 32 minus 13 is 19, 19, 12 minus 3, 9, 1, then minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, 26 minus 10 is 16. So we can check from backside what we got for A, B plus C. A, B plus C is minus 3, 19, minus 2, 16. It's same, minus 3, 19, minus 2, 16. So therefore I can say A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Hope this question is clear. Here we had covered up addition as well as multiplication together. Next question, again same pattern ka hai. Here we have subtraction as well as multiplication. These questions are quite lengthy. Here first part, first we have to find A minus B. ABC is given 5, 3, 7, 2. This topic is little bit boring because it has same sums throughout the exercise. Minus 2, 0. So subtracting we will get 5 minus 3, 3 plus 4, 7 minus of minus plus 2, then 2 minus 0. So subtracting you will get 5 minus 3, 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 2 minus 0 is 2, 2. Now we have to multiply this part with C. 2792 multiply by C. What is C here? 2, 1 minus 3, 4. So now again first row, first column. First row is this, first column is this. 2 2s are 4 plus 9 1s are 9. Again second row, first column. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 1s are 2. Same way 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 9 fours are 36. 7 into 3 is minus 21 plus 4 twos are 8. So finally you can write by adding 9 plus 4 is 13, 16, 30, then minus 21 plus 8 is minus 13. It's given here, so no need to worry about that. Now AC minus BC, so I have to multiply AC. So for that I need whole space, so I need to erase. Pause the video, write down. Now we are finding AC. So A multiplied by C. A is 3 minus 4 minus 2 0 into C. C is what? 2 1 minus 3 4. So multiplying this, 3 2s are 6 first row with first column. 3 2s are 6 minus 2 1s are 2. 4 2s are minus 8 plus 0 into 1 is 0. 3 3s are minus 9 minus 8. 4 2s are minus 8. 4 3s are 12 plus 12. 0 into 4 is 0. Let me check what I wrote. I wrote B. I wrote BC. I am doing BC. Let us write BC. So this will give me 4 minus 8 minus 17 and 12. Now I will write AC. AC में first is A 5 3 7 2 into C is 2 1 minus 3 4. So first row first column, 5 2s are 10, 7 1s are 7. Second row first column, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 1s are 2. Again same process. First row second column, minus 5 3s are 15 plus 7 4s are 28. 3 3s are minus 9 plus 4 2s are 8. So its answer is 17. 6 plus 2 is 8. 28 minus 15. 28 minus 15 is 13. And 9 minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. So last में we have to add, we have to subtract both of them. AC minus BC. So AC is 17 8 13 minus 1, this part, minus BC is 4 minus 8 minus 17 12. So subtracting, what you will get? 17 minus 4, 8 minus of minus plus 8, 13 minus 17 minus 1 minus 12. So that is 17 minus 4 is 13, 16 minus here, oh minus minus it's plus, 13 plus 4 30, 13 plus 17 is 30, and minus 1 minus 12 is minus 13. So now if we compare this matrix with the first matrix, first and second main questions are equal, so we can say it is equal. Now we will shift to next question. Hope you are now getting how to multiply. It will take time, but as you finish this exercise, multiplication will be quite easy for you. Now from this part, there are matrix which has unequal orders. So we have A matrix that has 3 4 5 minus 2, and B matrix which has 2 and 4. So let us find right orders first. Here his product possible. So we have to check okay, A his order of A, you can write it like this. Order of A is 2 row 2 columns, so it's 2 by 2. Then multiplying by B. So B ka order is 2 row and 1 column, so 2 by 1. As I told, for a multiplication to exist, first matrix का number of column, that is this number of column, this is row into column, you know last exercise में we had discussed. So first matrix का column should be equal to second matrix का row. So see A का 2 by 2 है and B का 2 by 1 है. See B matrix is 2 by 1 and A matrix is, these two will get cancelled. So since it's equal, so order of AB is what? 2 by 1. Order of AB is this and this. So if you want to write the order of AB, in some question they may ask write down the order of AB. The order of AB is 2 by 1. So here I will write number of column is of A is equal to number of row of B. Both are equal, so AB is possible. That you have to write it compulsory, because here they had asked his product AB possible. So for a product AB to be possible, you have to show the column of first matrix is equal to row of second matrix. Now let us multiply AB. 3 4 5 minus 2 into 2 4. So now as you see, we have two rows and only one column. Okay, so first row first column, let us multiply first row first column. 3 2s are 6 and 5 4s are 20. Then second row first column, 4 2s are 8 minus 4 2s are 8, just close bracket. Here we will get 26 and 0. So here we got answer in the form of 2 by 1. See, answer is 2 rows and 1 column. Next, here A is given as 1 2 minus 2 1 and 1 3. B is given as 2 3 1 1 2 1. So first we have to write down the product AB. So product AB is A into B, 1 2 minus 2 1 1 3 2 3 1 1 2 1. So let us see what is the answer of product. इसका order is 2 rows 3 column. See here we have 2 row and 3 column. 1 2 3 3 column. Here we have B में we have 3 rows and 2 columns. So as multiplication to be exist, so we have the criteria के row of, sorry, number of column of A matrix is equal to number of row of B matrix. So order will be these two. So now answer ka order should be 2 by 2. So I will make column according to that, 2 by 2. So first row first column. So 1 into 2 is 2 minus 6 plus 1. Second row first column. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 3s are 3 plus 3 1s are 3. Now let's make second column. So first row second column. So 1 1s are 1 minus 4 plus 1. Then second row second columns. 2 1s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. So writing this, what you will get? 2 minus 6 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, 10. 1 plus 1 2 minus 2, 4 6 7. Okay, here I got this. Now what they say, would it be possible to form BA? So AB is possible. Now we will check about BA. So for that, pause the video, write down this first question, and then we will do second question in this part only. Let me erase, pause the video till that. Now first we have to check B A is possible or not. So let's write B का order is 3 by 2 because it has 3 rows. देखो see 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, and order of A is 2 rows 3 column. 2 row 3 column. As per the criteria, number of column of B is equal to number of row of A. So first matrix का number of column should be equal to second matrix का number of row. So that criteria matches with this. So here BA is possible. So let us see what will be order of BA. So order of BA is this first part times last. This is very important. You should know what is the order, how you will get order of product. So that is first matrix का row and second matrix का column, that is 3 by 3. Now multiplication will be in the form of 3 by 3 matrix. So let us multiply BA 2 3 1 1 2 1 1 2 minus 2 1 1 3. So first row first column, first row first column. Answer is 3 by 3. To make bracket accordingly. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 2s are 2. See, we have same numbers. Then second row first column. All rows should be multiplied by first column. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4. Third row first column. 1 1s are 1 plus 2 1s are 2. This part is done with first row. Now we will do same process with second row. So 2 2s are minus 4. 1 1s are 1. 3 2s are minus 6 plus 2 1s are 2. 1 2s are minus 2 plus 1. Then with third row, let us circle third column, sorry. 1 2s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 1 1s are 1 plus 3 1s are 3. So 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 4 7. 2 plus 1 3. Minus 3. Minus 4. Minus 1 5. 3 plus 6 is 9 4. Okay, so let's just check answer behind. 473 473 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1, yeah, correct. 594 594, so it's correct. Okay, so hopefully you understood how to multiply and how to get matrix. So again I will tell you that for a multiplication to exist, number of column for first matrix whatever it's there should be equal to the number of row of second matrix, and the order of product is AB is first matrix का number of row into number of column of second matrix. This process you should by heart. If you know this, then it's very easy to understand matrix multiplication of matrix. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 and B is equal to 2 minus 3. First you have to show AB exists and write its order. Then you have to find AB. So first we will write order of A. A is 2 by 2. Order of B is 2 rows and 1 column. So order is 2 by 1. So we have to check for number of column of A is equal to number of rows of B. It is equal. So therefore I can say AB exists. So what I had explained you before, okay, what is the order of AB? AB ka order, if these two is equal, so order of product will be number of rows of matrix A into number of column of matrix B. So that is 2 by 1. So I can write therefore order of AB is equal to 2 by 1. You have to write everything properly, then find AB. Now you have to multiply AB. So A is 1, 2, 3 minus 1 into 2 minus 3. So as we know, we are always multiplying rows and columns. So first row, first column, then second row, first column. Okay, so first row, first column is 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus 3. So it is minus 7 and 7. Okay, this question was quite easy. Let M is 1 minus 2 and N is 2 minus 1, 1, 2. You have to show that Mn exists. Mn exists. So Mn exists के लिए what you have to tell? You have to first write the order of M. It is 1 by 2. If you see, it has 1 row and 2 columns. And N ka we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So if number of column of M is equal to number of row of N. Number of column of M is equal to number of row of N. So therefore I can say Mn exists. Mn can be possibly multiplied. Mn multiplication is possible. Now what we have to find, write its order. So now I know Mn ka order will be, I had told you before, it's like this, first and the last term, this part. You have to always remember order of answer is first and the last term, this and this. So it's first matrix ka number of row times second matrix ka number of column. So it's therefore order of Mn is 1 by 2. Now what you have to find? Mn. So let's find Mn. M is 1 minus 2 and N is 2 minus 1, 1, 2. So first row, first column. First row, first column. 1 2s are 2, minus minus plus 2. Now we don't have second row, so we will multiply first row, second column. So 1 1s are 1 and minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So answer is 4 minus 3. We got product of the matrix. Now does Mn exist? So we have to check Mn exist. Does Nm exist or not? So n order of n is 2 by 2. We know it has 2 rows and 2 columns. Into m ka order is 1 by 2. So here number of column of n is not equal to number of column of n is not equal to number of row of m. So therefore nm does not exist. Okay? In this way you can solve. A is given 2 3, B is given as minus 2 1. You have to show that AB and BA both exist. So पहले first we'll show AB exists. So A का order is 1 by 2. See, it has 1 row. This is 1 row and 2 columns. And B has 2 row and 1 column. So B has 2 row and 1 column. So here I can say AB exists. So AB exists because number of column of A is equal to number of row of B. So AB ka order will be, here you can say it's 1 by 1. 1 by 1. That means there will be only one term in this AB. Hence find AB and BA na. So that we will find it later. First we have to check if BA exists or not. So for BA I will write first BA ka order 2 by 1 and then A is 1 by 2. So here again we have same number of columns of B is equal to number of row of A. So therefore here ABA also exists, that you can write from there. So I can say BA ka order is 2 by 2, this into this 2 by 2. So let's write first AB. AB is 2 3 into minus 2 1. So here we have one row, one column. So it's just one term, simple one term. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, plus 3 ones are 3, that is equal to minus 1. Now BA minus 2 1 into 2 3. So here first row, first column. So that is minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Second row, first column, that is 1 2s are 2. Then 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 1 into 3 is 3. Here we got AB and BA. Just check this. Let's check answer. Minus 4 2, minus 6 3. So it's correct. Pause the video and go through it. If you don't understand, just watch video again. It's very simple. AB is, again I will explain you, 2 3 into minus 2 1. So it is first row and first column. See, we have one column and one row. So this can be easily multiplied. Minus 4 plus 3. So that is equal to minus 1. If you are multiplying BA, so BA may we have minus 2 1 2 3. So first row, first column, that is minus 4. Second row, first column. So see, second row may only we have 1 and for first column may we have 2. So second row, first column, 2 ones are 2. Same process with second column here. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. 1 into 3 is 3. This type of question is important. Here A is given, you have to show A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. So let's start step by step. So first we will write A square. A square means A multiplied by A. In matrix we don't have any square like operation. Whenever there is a square, we have to multiply A into A. That is 3 minus 1 1 2 multiply by 3 minus 1 1 2. So here multiplying, same pattern, multiplying in the same way. 3 3s are 9 minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. And second row we have this as second row and first column. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 minus 2. Now again with this column we will multiply both row. First we had multiplied to first column, both rows into first column. Now again first row, second column, second row, second column. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 twos are 2 and minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 2 twos are 4. So that will give you 9 minus 1 is 8, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. Now what we want, we will take LHS. LHS may we want A square, that is 8 minus 5 5 3 minus 5 into A matrix. A matrix is 3 minus 1 1 2 plus 7I. 7 into I had told you I is an identity matrix. I is what? 1 0 0 1 that I had told you to memorize when I was explaining the concept. 0 1. So now we will solve this part and this part. So 8 minus 5 5 3 minus 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are minus 5, 1 5s are 5, 5 2s are 10, plus 7 0 0 7. Okay, now club everything. 8 minus 15 plus 7 minus 5 minus minus plus 5 plus 0, 5 minus 5 plus 0, 3 minus 10 plus 7. If you will solve, you will get 8 plus 7, 15, 15 minus 15 is 0, minus 5 plus 5 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So that is equal to 0, that is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Next question is also of same pattern. Here we have to get 6a minus a square is equal to 9i, that is I. So here a is given, the first I will find a square, that is equal to a multiplied by a. 4 minus 1 1 2 into 4 minus 1 1 2. So first row, first column, second row, first column. These two rows I have to multiply with first column. So 4 4s are 16, then 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, then minus 4, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, then 4 1s are 4, 1 2s are 2, then minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, plus 2 2s are 4. 16 minus 1 is 15, minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So I got this answer. Now I want LHS as 9i. The LHS is 6a minus a square. So let me write 6 into a matrix, 4 minus 1 1 2, minus 15 minus 6 6 3. So 6 4s are 24, minus 6 6, and 6 2s are 12. 15 minus 6 6 3. So that will give you 24 minus 15 minus 6 plus 6, 6 minus 6, and 12 minus 3. So here you will get 9 0 0 9. If you take out 9 common from this, you will get 1 0 0 1. So we know this is an identity matrix that I can write as 9i. So therefore that is equal to RHS. So therefore you can say LHS is equal to RHS. 15th, a is given, we have to just evaluate as minus a square plus 6i. So let me find first a square. So a square I can find as a multiplied by a. So a value is 2 minus 3 minus 2 4 into 2 minus 3 minus 2 4. So multiplying this, first row, first column, then second row, first column. So here I can write 2 into 2 is 4, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, minus 3 into plus 2 is minus 6, 4 3s are minus 12. Now same process with next column. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 2s are 8, minus 3 into 2 is 6, plus 4 4s are 16. 6 plus 4 10, minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18, minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12, 6 plus 16 is 22. So we got a square. Now what we will write? Minus a square plus 6a. So that is minus a square, that is 10, minus 18, minus 12, and then 22, plus 6 into a. A is 2, minus 3, minus 2, 4. So here first what we will do? We will try to put this minus sign inside. So I have to multiply with minus 1, minus 10, 18, 12, minus 22, plus. Now I will multiply 6 also. 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6 3s are 18, minus 12, 6 4s are 24. So here minus 10 plus 12, 12 minus 12, 18 minus 18, minus 22 plus 24. That will give you 2, 0, 0, 2. So here final answer is 2, 0, 0, 2. 16th question is quite small, as you see on the left side. Now we have a is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. We have to show a square is equal to I. We have to show a square. So let's start with LHS. That is a square. That is a multiplied by a. 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Now let's multiply this into this. 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Then this into this, same way. 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. Now with next column, second column. 0 into 1, this is 1 and it's multiplied by 0, so that is 0, and 1 into 0 is 0. Then again 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 0 is 0. So I got 1, 0, 0, 1, that is equal to I. Got answer. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. A is given as AB minus A square, B square minus AB. You have to show that A square is equal to 0. So I can write A square is equal to A multiplied by A. That is AB minus A square, B square minus AB, AB minus A square, B square minus AB. So first row into first column, then second row into first column. So here I can write AB multiplied by AB, that is A square B square, then B square multiplied by minus A square. So I will get minus A square B square. This is first row, first column done. Now same way we will solve second row and first column. Minus A square into AB. So I will get minus A cube B, then minus AB into minus A square. So that is plus, sorry, into plus A cube B. Now first row, second column, AB into B square. So AB into B square, that will give you AB cube. Then B square into minus AB. So again you will get minus AB cube. Then same way, second row and second column, minus A square B square. So minus A square B square plus A square B square. So cancelling this, we get 0, 0, 0 and 0. That is equal to RHS. ठीक है. Next question. Here A is given, B is given, AB is equal to 0. You have to find the value of X and Y. So we know AB is 0. So we can write AB. A is what? 2, 3, 6, 9 into B. 3yx2. That is equal to 0. So first row, first column. This is first row, this is first column. We can write 2 3s are 6 plus 6y. Then second row, first column. 3 3s are 9 plus 9y. Then first row, second column. 2x plus 6 2s are 12. Second row, second column. 3x plus 9 2s are 18, which is equal to 0 0 0 0. So now we can compare, we can equate. This is comparable matrix, so we can equate this as 0. 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 12, x is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now next part we will equate this. Let me mark with green. You can equate anything. You can even equate niche wala this term also with this. But you can choose anything. Now we will write 6 plus 6y is equal to 0. So 6y is equal to minus 6. So therefore y is equal to minus 1. Okay. Hope you understood this. Okay. Go through. Any doubts? Let me know. Next is 19th question. 19th may we have same pattern. If x110 into 4 minus 332 is equal to y into 4 y4 11 z. So right hand side you have only one matrix, but left hand side you have product of two matrix. So let's make it a single matrix. So multiplying row column. So x into 4 is 4x minus 3. 1 into 4 is 4 plus 0. X into 3 is 3x plus 2. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 0. y4 11 z. So here let me write it properly. 4x minus 3 4, 3x plus 2 3 is equal to y 4 11 z. So now if you see, you can easily compare first term with this first term, but here we have x and y, so that we will do it later. First we will compare this part. 3x plus 2 is equal to 11. 3x plus 2 is equal to 11. 3x is equal to 11 minus 2. 3x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 3. Once we get x, now we can compare this part, this with this. So we have 4x minus 3 is equal to y. So already we know 3. So 4 into 3 minus 3, 12 minus 3, y is equal to 9. Now z तो easily comparable है, तो you can say z is equal to 3. ठीक है. Now next. A B is equal to A plus B. So AB is what? 3002 into A0BC is equal to A plus B. So A is what? 3002 plus AB0C. So first we will multiply on left side and then add on right side. Then we will equate both matrix. 3 into A is 3A plus 0. 0 into A is 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0. 3B plus 0C. 0B plus 2C. Okay. Now here I can add 3 plus A. 0 plus B. 0 plus 0 and 2 plus C. Let's write it as simplest form. Then we can compare 3A 0, 3B 2C. That is equal to 3 plus A, 0 0 plus B, 2 plus C. Now first comparing with this term, what I will get? 3A is equal to 3 plus A. So shifting A inside, 3A minus A is equal to 3. 2A equal to 3. So A is equal to 3 by 2. Now for B I have to compare. This I can write as 0 plus B as only B. So now here 3B is equal to B. So do not cancel BB on both sides, otherwise you will not get any value. So what I will write, 3B minus B is equal to 0. If you shift this B inside, you will get 0. 2B is equal to 0. Then B is equal to 0. Then last part is 2C is equal to 2 plus C. C को you can shift inside. 2C minus C is C. C is equal to 2. Okay, you got this properly. When you have comparable matrix, their order should be same. That you have to take care. Now, this type of questions are very important. 21 to 25 all are of same pattern question and all are very important question. Here what they say, A dot means multiply by 2 4 3 5, that is equal to 0 10 minus 4 and 3. So here if you have to find A, so we can just shift below this division. If I have 3x is equal to 15, what I do, x is equal to 15 upon 3, but in matrix we cannot divide. Division is not possible in matrix. Barabar? So here what we will do, if division is not possible, so how we will find this matrix A? So for that what we will do, we will try to figure out what order is the matrix A. We don't know the order of A. So we will write let order of A be m into n. I don't know order. I know this order is 2 by 2 and order of answer is also 2 by 2. In this pattern you can write. Now as we know, for a multiplication to exist, number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of row of second matrix. So here in short my n is what? 2, because order of A is m into n. I just assume it as m into n. So from this I can get n is 2. Then only we get answer. We also got answer. And the product of answer, order of the product is always this pattern. I had marked many times this pattern. So this is what m into 2. Comparing this part, see here what is m? M is 2. So therefore order of A is 2 by 2. In this type of question, you have to first predict the order of the matrix. What is the order of the unknown matrix? So now you can assume let A is equal to any alphabet. We know it's 2 by 2. There is 4 elements. So I can say X, Y, A, B. I can say this way. So now I will write XY into AB is equal to 2, 4, 3 minus 3, 5 is equal to 0, 10 minus 4, 3. So now as you start multiplying, what you will get? First row, first column. So multiplying first row, first column, 2x plus 4y. Then second row, first column is 2a plus 4b. Same way with another column. X into 3 is 3x plus 5y. 3a plus 5b. That is equal to 0, 10 minus 4, 3. So now here what I will do, I will just compare matrix. This term is equal to 0. So I can write 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. And again I have to take this value, this part, because it's an x term. This type of question you had done in first exercise. I told you you will get this type of question in exercise C. See here, this same type of question was there in exercise A. So here I can write 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 4. Now this forms a simultaneous equation. So here I will make which term? I will make first term equal. So I will multiply by 3 and multiply by 2. So here I will get 3 2 is 6x plus 4 3 is 12y is equal to 0 into 3 is 0. 2 3 is 6x plus 5 2 is 10y is equal to minus 8. Now subtracting, you will get this minus, minus and plus. Subtracting, you will get 6x and 6x will get cancelled. 12 minus 10 is 2y is equal to 0 plus 8 is 8. So therefore y is equal to 4. We got y, we got one of the element. That element I will substitute in equation first or second. Let's substitute in first. This is, let's say, as 1. This is 2. Substitute in 1. 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. 2x plus 4 into 4 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 16. So x is equal to minus 8. We got two values. We got x and y. X is minus 8, y is 4. Now let's equate another two equations that I will write on the next page. 2a plus 4b equal to 10. 3a plus 5b equal to 3. So let us write 2a plus 4b equal to 10. 2a plus 4b equal to 10, and the next equation was 3a plus 5b equal to 3. 3a plus 5b equal to 3. This is my third equation. This is my fourth equation. Now we will multiply third equation by 3 and fourth equation by 2. So 3 2 is 6a plus 4 3 is 12b is equal to 3 10s are 30. 3 2 is 6a plus 5 2 is 10b is equal to 6. Now subtracting, here also you can write subtract, minus, minus and minus. 6a will get cancelled. 12 minus 10 2b is equal to 24. B is equal to 12. Now substituting B in any equation, 2A plus 4B, 4 into 12 is equal to 10. 2A plus 4 into, let me write directly, 2A is equal to 10 minus 48. 2A is equal to minus 38. A is equal to minus 19. So do not forget to write matrix A. We want matrix A. It was like this: X, Y, A, B. So here my X is, X I got as minus 8. Y was, I guess it was 4. A is minus 19. B is 12. This is the matrix which we need. Next question is similar type question. First matrix is 5 minus 2 minus 7 3 multiply by x, this is x, that is equal to minus 16 7 minus 6 2. So here what we have to do, we have to write the order, that is 2 by 2. We know the order of the given matrix. X I don't know, so I can write m into n, and order of answer is 2 by 2. As we know, for a multiplication to exist, first matrix ka number of columns should be equal to second matrix ka row. See, I had marked with blue. So therefore m is 2. M should be 2. Then only multiplication is possible. Otherwise it's not possible. Now we know order of the product is the one which I had marked. That is 2 by n. So here again n is 2. So therefore let me assume x as xy AB. I will write xy in the form of column because second matrix we are multiplying in the form of column and first matrix is row. So 5 minus 2 minus 7 3 into xy AB is equal to minus 16 7 minus 6 2. So if you start multiplying, we get first row, first column, 5x minus 7y minus 2x plus 3y, 5a minus 7b minus 2a plus 3b. Hope you understood how to multiply. First row, first column, second row, first column, then same process with the second column. Minus 16 7 minus 6 2. Now let us compare x part. 5x minus 7y is equal to minus 16 minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So this is my first equation. This is second equation. The first equation I will multiply by 2 and second equation I will multiply by 5. So 5 2s are 10x minus 7 2s are 15y is equal to 16 2s are 32. 5 2s are 10x plus 3 5s are 15y is equal to 5 7s are 35. 10x will get cancelled. 15 minus 14 is y, that is equal to 3. Now y is 3. So y I will substitute in any of the equation. Which equation should I take? I will take first. 5x minus 7y is equal to minus 16. So 5x minus 7 into 3 is equal to minus 16. 5x minus 21 is equal to minus 16. 5x is equal to 21 minus 16. 5x is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 1. So we got x and y. Do remember x is 1, y is 3. Barabar? X is, here we got y 3 and then x though I didn't got. I got it backside. Chalo. Now we will compare next two equation. 5a minus 7b equal to minus 6 It's there here. 5a minus 7b equal to minus 6, and then minus 2a plus 3b equal to 2. Minus 2a plus 3b equal to 2. So let's write next two equation. 5a minus 7b is equal to minus 6, minus 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. So this is my third equation. This is my fourth equation. So we will multiply third equation by 2 and fourth equation by 5. So what I will get, 5 2s are 10a minus 7 2s are 14b is equal to 6 2s are 12. 2 5s are 10a plus 3 5s are 15b is equal to 5 2s are 10. Now we will add. 10a will get cancelled. 15 minus 14 is b. b is equal to minus 2. Now substituting, b is equal to minus 2 in equation 4. So it's 5a minus 7b is equal to minus 6. So 5a minus 7 into b is minus 2, which is equal to minus 6. 5a plus 14 is equal to minus 6. 5a minus 6 minus 14, 5a equal to minus 20. So a is equal to minus 4. So we got X matrix, that is, it was X, Y, A, B. So what was X? X is 1, Y is 3, A we have minus 4, B have minus 2. Hope you got this type of question. Still we have to do more 3 questions based on this pattern. So here we have to find matrix A such that A multiply by 3 minus 1 2 5, that is equal to 9 minus 11. So we will consider A as, order of A is m by n, order of another matrix is 2 by 2, and order of nth product is 2 by 1. Now we know we have to find m and n value. So by looking at this, we know matrix A ka number of columns should be equal to matrix this matrix a number of row. So therefore n is 2. We got n. Now we know m into 2 is the order of product. No, this is 2 by 2. N is 2. Oh, this is 1 by 2. Sorry, I did mistake. This is 1 by 2. 1 row and 2 column. 1 by 2. So m into 2. So comparing m with 1, you will get m is equal to 1. So therefore order of, let me write order properly. Therefore order of A is equal to 1 by 2. So I can say A is equal to 1 by 2 means 1 row and 2 column, x and y. So now let's multiply x, y, 3 minus 1 2 5 is equal to 9 minus 11. So multiplying first row, first column, will get 3x minus y. First row, second column, 2x plus 5y is equal to 9 minus 11. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. I can equate because it's comparable matrix. Then this is equal to minus 11. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 11. So here I will multiply by 5 so that I can cancel out this term. Let me do it behind. 3 5s are 15x. 15x minus 5y equal to 45. Minus 5y is equal to 45. And what was next equation? 2x plus 5y equal to minus 11. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 11. Cancelling these two, you will get 17x is equal to 34. So therefore x is equal to 2. We got x value. Now substituting x value in any equation, substitute x equal to 2 in equation, let's say 2. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 11. 2 into 2 plus 5y is equal to minus 11. 5y is equal to minus 11 minus 4. 5y is equal to minus 15. So y is equal to minus 3. So my matrix was x and y. So x is 2 and y is minus 3. Okay, you understood this? Next. In this we have one matrix which is given 5 1 minus 2 3 into A is equal to one more matrix is given 4 11. We have to find the order of A. So to find order of A, first we will write this is 2 by 2, A is m by n, and this is 2 by 1. If you just check, first order का number of column should be equal to second order का number of row. When multiplication exists, that means first matrix number of column should be equal to second matrix number of rows. So here I can say m is 2. Now let us compare last two term. This is 2 into n. So here I can say n is 1. Then only it is possible. So therefore order of A is 2 by 1. So now I have to find A. Find A, that let A be 2 by 1, 2 rows and 1 column, x and y, 2 rows and 1 column. So what I will do, 5 1 minus 2 3 into x 5 is equal to 4 11. Multiplying rows and columns, 5x minus 2y, 1 into x is x plus 3y is equal to, we have 4 11. So therefore equation is 5x minus 2y is equal to 4 and x plus 3y is equal to 11. When we have comparable matrix, you can compare on both sides to find x and y value. Now this is quite simple. Here I will multiply by 3, this I will multiply by 2. So 5 3 is a 15x minus 3 2 is a 6y is equal to 4 3 is a 12. 2x plus 6y is equal to 22. Solving equation, 17x is equal to 34. So therefore x is equal to 2. Now substitute x value in any equation. So now x value I will substitute in first equation. 5x, that is 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 2y. 6 is equal to 2y. So therefore y is equal to 3. So my matrix A was xy. So x is 2, y is 3. This is my final answer. These type of questions are very important. Let A matrix be 2 minus 3 minus 1 4 and B matrix is 8 minus 17. So here AC is given as B. So I will write matrix A 2 minus 3 minus 1 4 into C matrix, that is equal to 8 minus 17. So here let's decide order first, because when we have unknown matrix, so first we have to decide order. So here order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of C I don't know, that can be written as M into N, and order of answer is 2 by 2 rows and 1 column. So as per the rule, for a multiplication to exist, we should have number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. So M is 2. Now this into this is equal to 2 into N. So therefore N is 1. So let matrix C be 2 rows and 1 column X, Y. So I will write 2 minus 3 minus 1 4 into X, Y is equal to 8 minus 17. So now multiplying, what I will get? 2 into X, 2X minus Y minus 3X plus 4Y is equal to 8 minus 17. So now equating 2x minus y is equal to 8 minus 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 17. This is first and this is second. So now we will make y equal. So this I will multiply by 4. So 4 to the 8x minus 4y is equal to 8 4 the 32 minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 17. So solving this two, you will get 5x is equal to 15. So here I can write x is equal to 5. Sorry, 15 by 5, that is 3. We will substitute x value. 2x minus y equal to 8. 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 8. 6 minus 8 equal to y. So therefore y is equal to minus 2. So my matrix C is 3 minus 2. These are the very important questions. Okay, this we will revise in board when we are doing board questions in next video. Okay, just go through this part. Here do not forget to write matrix. Right, most student does the error, they just find x and y, then they finish it off the question. But here you have to remember the last our answer is the matrix itself. Hope you have this matrices is totally clear with you. In this we have addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrix, that is quite easy. In matrices you don't get any complicated questions. Okay, now next video we are going to solve board questions on this.